My husband was actually, he woke me up and he said, they're here.
Rebekah Jones tells us after months of calling out state officials claiming they're misrepresenting COVID case numbers,
Come outside. Outside.
she figured something like this would happen. State authorities Monday entering her home with guns drawn, taking her computer and phone.
When I decided to build my own site, and after people cared that I did that and paid attention to it, I just assumed the governor would be coming after me.
Come down now!
Officers are investigating the breach of a Florida health emergency messaging program. Someone accessed the system last month, sending this unauthorized message to more than 1,700 state employees, urging them to speak out. Officials say they linked it to Jones' home by way of an IP address.
How do you explain that, I suppose?
Well, that isn't really evidence. It was just DOH saying, here, we have this IP address. This is where it came from. They would know where I've accessed the system before because I worked remotely from home.
Jones helped create Florida's COVID-19 dashboard before being terminated for insubordination in May. She maintains her innocence, however, saying the job didn't require a lot of computer skills. Hacking isn't what she does.
I don't know the first thing about computers. If something's wrong with your computer, I'm liable to make it worse if you ask me to fix it. Being a statistician doesn't mean you know how to program computers. It means that you know how to analyze information.
Legal experts say Jones might face up to 5 years if charges are filed. The breach could be considered a third-degree felony based on state law.
Just the fact that there was unauthorized access, but in and of itself, that would be sufficient grounds to be charged under this law.
Attorney Al Leyva is a cybercrime expert. He expects computer forensic teams are now at work analyzing the tech seized for communications and contents.
There's a lot of questions that are out there right now as to what are they going to find on that system, and most importantly, what are the next steps that they're going to take.
While Jones waits for those next steps, she says she's undeterred and plans to get back to work, posting COVID data on a new computer and criticizing the administration.
My site is back up and running, and I said I wouldn't miss more than a day. So I'm going to keep doing what I do until they eventually come here and arrest me for something.